Hello and welcome to my art and cooking channel. Today I have an oil pastel painting. I decided to do, I was creating these mermaid references, and I thought, oh, it would be fun to do the mermaid tail coming down from the ocean, and use lots of teals and things. So that's what I've done here. I'm using Canson XL graduate mixed media paper with the cream. I think they also make a gray and of course a white, but this is like a 8x5-ish pad, and so I've taped off the sides with washi tape just to give the clean edges when I'm finished. And just kind of going in with various colors. I've got my Paul Rubens on my desk, my Art Echo, and my Mungio Gallery at the moment. And so I was basically just blocking in colors and all different kinds of greens and blues. So if you like those colors, of course you could do this in another color profile, but that's what I was using for the sort of underwater. I originally was thinking of like an underwater town, village, city kind of thing, and decided to just do the mermaid tail instead. Wasn't feeling particularly too detailed that day. Still trying to get over these viruses, but and then using a white to kind of blend out the colors. I will leave links below. Please, if you could, like, share, and subscribe. That would be a huge, huge help and a free way to help. But I also have links to my Amazon store and things of products that I love and use all the time. Won't suggest a product that I don't love myself. So these are all just tried and true, and most of which are budget friendly as well. And I do have cooking things as well if you're interested in baking and cooking. And yeah, it was pretty fun to smudge in. You could, of course, use other tools and blending stumps and things. I just used my finger and cleaned it with a baby wipe. But if you don't like, I know some people don't like to be so tactile, but you can certainly blend with something else. And then going in with my Prismacolor color pencils, just trying to give some extra details there. Use what you have, but also with my charcoal pencil as well. And then as the painting forms, getting some more detail. And at the end, you'll see, if you stick around, which I hope you do, I'm going to use my Sennelier iridescent scent, which I love, to give sort of the shimmery scale underwater glistening effect as it is. But so go ahead and watch the rest of the video. I'm going to put some music on for you. And thank you so much for taking time out today. I hope you dip into your art supplies. Enjoy.